here, commodity fundamental analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and today I'll be majorly focusing on two agriculture commodities. Among the agriculture commodities, the first commodity that I would like to touch upon is on chana. And chana, as you all know, has been trading very much volatile. However, we can see some correction in the past few days, and we are expecting that the trend to remain bearish in the coming week ahead, majorly due to the easing farm activities, as the central government of India has eased farm activities and lockdown situations in the rural regions, especially in the green and orange zone, which is expected to bring the harvesting activities, pending harvesting activities in the rural regions to pick up pace. Probably by 15th of May, the farm activities is likely to be closed and new crop productions and the harvesting is likely to begin in the major regions of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, as well as in the Maharashtra regions. This is expected to keep the prices in the lower zone. In addition to that, the overall production for this year is expected to be 5 to 10% higher compared to the previous year, and this is expected to keep the supplies in the domestic market higher compared to the demand. Overall, I'm expecting a bearish trend in NCDEX Chana future, and we can expect that the prices to come down to 4,000 levels in NCDEX June futures in the week ahead. The second commodity that I would like to touch upon is on palm oil, MCX palm oil, which is called crude palm oil. It is expected to remain bearish in the near future, is majorly due to the lower domestic demand and as well as in the international market. If you look at the Malaysian palm oil prices, the Malaysian palm oil prices is expected to be lower in the coming weeks, majorly due to lower exports in the global markets due to the lockdown situation. In addition to that, volatile crude prices has also put a lot of pressure in the crude palm oil prices, which is actually a vegetable oil prices, which is expected to keep the prices bearish in the coming future. In addition to that, worries of US-China trade tensions has begun once again after a couple of months, and this is also expected to keep the vegetable prices of palm oil in the lower zone. Overall, I'm expecting that the trend to remain bearish, and we are expecting that the prices to come down to 550 levels by the end of this week. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading week.